Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. In today's class, we want to talk about quadratic equation. And I'm going to use a very simple approach in finding solution to this problem. If you're ready, let's get started. But remember the right thing to do, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, looking at this equation, each time you have a quadratic equation like this, and when the coefficient of x squared is 1, just like this one now, there is an invisible 1. It's just not an invisible one, it's just a concept. Because looking at this x squared, how many x squared are you seeing there? Of course, it's 1. So you don't need to put the 1 there. Now you have x squared, you have x, and this is a constant, which is minus 3, and everything is equal to 0. So what do? You now go to the constant. Ask yourself, what are the two numbers I can multiply to get minus 3? Of course, those numbers can be minus 2, minus 3 times 1 will give you minus 3, right? Now, the next question should be, if I add these two numbers, will I have minus 2? The question is yes, right? If you say 1 minus 3, you are going to have minus 2. So minus 3 and plus 1, they are the factors that give the solution to this problem. So how do we find the values of x? What we are going to do is this. You open two brackets and everything equal to 0. The next thing is you have your x here, you have your x here. The first one is minus 3. The next one is plus 1. All right? So the next thing you go is, since x minus 3 multiply x plus 1 is equal to 0, that means one of the brackets must be 0. So I don't know the bracket that is 0. So what I'm going to say is x minus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 1 is going to be equal to 0. So let's do it. I'm going to have x minus 3 is equal to 0. That means that x is 3, or x plus 1 is equal to 0, and that means x is minus 1. So the real solution to this quadratic equation is plus 3 or minus 1. If that is very interesting, please hit the subscribe button or plus button in front of your device and share. Bye.